Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Talha, and if you've been here before, what up? So I'm back with a new different look, giving you all the green Hulk kind of look. Pretty Hulk though, not the big scary Hulk. So anyway, I decided to do a green, smoky-y, cut creasy, goldy with dramatic lashes kind of look, keeping it simple on the lips, very nude because you don't want to overdo it, right? So if you guys would like to know how to get this look over here, that can also be done on Eid, by the way, since Eid is approaching soon, a few more days to go. And if you do want to look all glammed up, super extra to the gods, please keep on watching. But before we continue, please pause this video right now. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I know it looks hella crazy right now, but it's gonna all come together in the end once I'm done slaying this face. And I know I look so tired because I am kind of sick, so we're gonna brush that away. So I'm gonna take my ColourPop concealer and I'm gonna prime my eyes with that, my eyelids. This is in the shade 1050. I'm just gonna apply a little bit over my eyelid. When I say a little bit, I mean a lot. Just gonna apply all that over. Just gonna blend it out using a beauty blender. And then I'm gonna set it with a setting powder. Just grab some on my beauty blender and I'm gonna press that in. My beauty blender is damp. This is just gonna make sure my concealer does not crease and spoil my eyeshadow. I like to put a lot and then brush away the excess. I used the Beauty Bakerie Better Not Bitter Flower in the shade Translucent to set my eye. And I'm just gonna brush away the excess powder. So today I'm using the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. I just love how the shades, especially these ones right over here. So to start off, I'm using this shade over here and I'll be putting that into my crease. I'm just gonna be going back and forth, blending it out. So once I'm done using that shade, the next shade I'm going in with is this shade over here, teal color. It is actually. It looks blue on camera, but see how beautiful the color is. Just pick up a little bit on my brush, tap off the excess, and this looks a little weird. I've never started with my eye, doing makeup on my eye for like a year or so right now, and it feels so weird. But I'm gonna apply that right below where I applied the first shade, and same thing, gonna go in circular motions. The one was over here and this is gonna be here. And I'm just going back and forth, blending it out and layering at the same time. And again, I'm taking the same eyeshadow and putting it in my outer corner as well. Just gonna blend it out in circular motions. This is how your eyeshadow should look at the moment. I'm gonna go back with the first eyeshadow and I'm just gonna use it to blend out the green one over here so that we just don't have a line. Beautiful gradient from the teal to the brown transition. And then I'm gonna go back with the teal again just to intensify the color, like that. And then next I'm going in with this dark green over here and I'm gonna apply on my crease and on the outer corner of my eye. My makeup keeps falling all the time. So I'm gonna grab that green on my Morphe brush and right on my crease is where I'm gonna start placing it, and I'm gonna be going in circular motions as well, and then back and forth, just blending it out. And on the outer corner of my eye as well. Make sure you keep on blending it out. You do not want lines showing you through different colors that you've used so far. So back and forth, and on the outer corner, just keep on blending. You can add more green to intensify your eye, but yeah, should be looking something like this. And then you're just gonna blend out everything together with a brush over here on top, just grabbing the same shade, brown shade, just blend this part out. And then I'm gonna go in with the second teal bluey shade. I'm just gonna apply that a bit over in order to bring it back, because I feel like I got lost in the green. Just right over there. So basically, I'm just going back and forth with the same three colors in order to make my eyeshadow well blended. It really needs patience. You just can't put on one shade and the other on top and the other on top and you're done. You really need to take your time in blending if you want to reach that perfect level. So far it should look something like that. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. So I'm gonna be using my MAC concealer palette, and I'm just gonna take this light shade over here that is I keep on dropping my makeup, NC42. I'm just gonna use this brush over here from Amara Fashion that is like rounded on the top. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit, and I'm gonna look down to do this. You can never cut your crease while looking up. If you cannot do it while looking down, just apply some on the lid, like over here. Look up. Wherever it touches, that's where you're gonna cut your crease. But I don't like doing that. I like to see what I'm doing. So from here, just gonna cut my crease. It's as easy as drawing, if you can draw, that is. And then I'm just gonna clean this part as well. I'm trying to be as clean. I'm trying to make my line as clean as possible. Up to about there. And I'm just gonna blend this part out with my finger. Just like that. And then I'm gonna set this part where I put the concealer so that it does not crease, because it wouldn't look nice if you start creasing. You know, you're out and then your eyeshadow is creasing and then you're just like, what the hell is going on? So I'm just gonna use a random nude eyeshadow, pick up on my brush, and I'm gonna press it in so that it's set nicely. Or you can use powder, whichever you think will be better. Then I'm trying not to go over to the green side. I'm just going to end on this line over here and set it well. We do not need our eyeshadow creasing throughout the day. You gotta be on point. You gotta slay your makeup. I'm gonna go back to the same teal eyeshadow. I want to put that here so that it looks like a gradient from something light to dark, which is the dark green. Just gonna grab a little bit on my brush, tap off the excess, and then I'm just gonna press it like that and blend it out. If you want to go ahead and darken the outer corner, is fine. Just add more green. This part where my crease is cut, I want to darken that green. So I'm just gonna take a small thin brush. This is from Morphe, and I'm grabbing that green, and I'm carefully tracing out or drawing out right above my what's it called, my cut crease. Now for the colors on my lid, I'm gonna be using two colors, that is green, red over here, and gold. Two beautiful colors. So this is the green that I'll be using, right over here. A nice green and a beautiful gold that is right over here. So I'm gonna place the green on the center of my lid. I'm just gonna pick up with a Morphe brush, pick some up on my brush, and then tapping while blending it at the same time. And this is how you get a nice beautiful green gradient over here, from the lightest to the darkest. And just make sure to not go over your cut crease. Just gonna blend out over here, and as I said, we're putting that on the center only and blending it out. You do not need it here, you do not need it here, just the center. And then I'm gonna go in with a golden shade, and then I'm gonna blend out in the middle. Because I don't need two lines showing that I have two colors on my eye. I just need a beautiful gradient. So you know, you need that transition in between where you cannot see where the gold is ending and where the green is starting. So you just first tap on your color, and then once you're here, you just kind of blend it. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and then I'm gonna continue. Before moving on, I need water. I'll be right back with water. Okay, so now moving on back to the eye, since the face is done. I'm gonna be using these same eyeshadows from my bottom lash line. I'm just gonna put some black inside and then smoke it out with the green that I used before. And then we're gonna pop on some liner and some good some good lashes. So for applying eyeshadow on my waterline, I like using my Morphe brush. This is the M213 brush. It's very tiny. A little bit of black. I'm applying that to my waterline. Just being careful. I'm gonna use a small brush that I also got from Morphe, and I'm going in with the green eyeshadow, the dark green eyeshadow, just a little bit, and then right on my lash line, I'm gonna smoke it out, just like that. And then I'm taking another, so many brushes, right? Yeah. And then I'm taking another brush. I got my mug of brushes, by the way. I'm just looking for a fluffy brush. I'm taking this one from Morphe. It's in number E36. It's small, as you can see, and I'm grabbing that first teal kind of eyeshadow a little bit, and I'll use that to blend the dark eyeshadow out. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, and for that I'm gonna be using my NYX Through Steps to Sculpt palette. I'm gonna take the highlighter shade. Recently I've been I like using such brushes for highlighting because it blends it out really well. So this is from Amara Fashion, so I'm gonna apply over here and my brow bone. And now for some eyeliner, I'm gonna be doing a very simple thin eyeliner, just to hide my eyelash band. I'm trying to stay closest to my lashes. I just spoiled it because it was blinking. And now for some lashes, I'm using Sabalashes in the style London. These are super fluffy but comfortable. Like, they're very thick and kind of dramatic, but I love that. So this is what I'm gonna be using. And using Geo glue to prep my lid, to prep my lashes. It fell because I did it blew air out. Now to prep my lashes, I'm gonna be applying mascara. Obviously, what else would I apply? So I'm using the Benefit The Real mascara. Look at the difference. I did not have lashes, now I have lashes. My lashes are prepped and ready for the eye wigs. So if you guys would like to know how to do your lashes, I have a video, so I'm gonna link it somewhere up here in the iCard, and you can watch that right after watching this one. It's really simple, just gotta follow a few simple steps. Look how lashes take your look from 100 to a 200. I would say 0, but it's 100. It's 100. No lashes, lashes. No lashes, lashes. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, because I am hella feeling it right now, you know. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'd like to thank you guys for watching my tutorial, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.